Have you ever taken photos of your artwork and been frustrated with the outcome? It can be difficult dealing with unruly shadows, shine, and contrast issues. I have over 30 years of commercial photography experience and have photographed artworks for galleries and private collectors. And I'm here to help you make beautiful and color-accurate images of your artwork. This course is for artists who want to level up their photography for their website, social media, and for creating marketing collateral. My goal is for you to create clean, crisp, accurate photographs of your art so your collectors will be confident that the work that they see online is the work they will receive. Can you do this course with an iPhone? Sure. Most of these techniques will work with the camera on your phone, and I'll be discussing the differences between shooting with a phone and a high-end camera. So let's get started.